This is a lab sheet for the lab that I'm about ready to show you on pressure and volume. As you watch through the video, you'll need to fill in the information that's in these initial questions, and then you can also show the pressure calculations or the pressure amounts that are here. Now you'll notice that it says actual volume. The actual volume is 0.8 milliliters greater than the volume that is listed, that I said, okay, we go to 5 milliliters, for example, because the gas pressure sensor has a volume of 0.8 milliliters. Also, toward the end of the video, you'll see that I do show the full data table, and so if you don't get it as you go through, you can look at it there. The pressure and volume lab. We're going to look at the effects of pressure and volume, and this is our setup. We have a syringe, a gas pressure sensor, and a LabQuest that's measuring that amount. And we're going to go through and look at our lab sheet and measure our pressures at each interval. So we'll slide this down to 5 milliliters and holding it there. Now we have it set to 10 milliliters. Going to move the syringe to 12.5 milliliters. Now we're at 15 milliliters. $17.5 milliliters. And finally, we're at 20 milliliters. Now, in case you didn't pick up each of those measurements, this is the actual data table. And next I will we'll look at the graph of this as it comes off of the LabQuest. This is a graph off of the LabQuest, and you see that it is a slightly curved line. And if we do analysis on this, we will find that this is a curve fit that is an inverse proportionality. And so if we raise the volume to the -1 power, which would be 1 over, then we would get this type of fit.